Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre, and here we have some fantastic approved used stock. This is the Volkswagen Transporter Highline 2.0 TDI 110PS in the stylish pure grey finish. There are flexible finance packages, so to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle. This video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment. And as you can see, the stunning chrome Volkswagen badge is sitting proudly at the centre there amongst the front grille, and the headlights pair really well with the alloy wheels, which complements the exterior finish very well, and the power folding windows do fold in when locked to provide extra safety to the vehicle, ensuring to minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. It's great for places like shopping centres where parking can be relatively tight. As you can see, the pure grey finish really does complement well with the alloy wheels, and towards the back of the van you can see the Volkswagen badging with the Transporter logo, offering a very unique style look to the van. And we also do have the parking sensors and our rear view cam at the bottom there for that additional support whenever you need them. You'll notice this Transporter does have many upgraded options, including the rubber floor covering in the cargo area, and now as we access the boot, you'll notice we do have the ply rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting in the ceiling. As you can see, we have that spacious and fantastic interior, and these doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. This stunning van is available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre, so please don't hesitate to come down and have a look yourself at our dealership. And now, as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat here, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your front passengers that relaxing driving experience. Around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. So thank you for watching the first part of the video tour of this approved used Transporter Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre. If you'd like to stick around, we will be having a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, offering you that comfortable drive, and we do have our automatic headlights with our traction control, ensuring they're always on at their correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side there. And just above the steering wheel, we do have our cup holders and plenty of storage space on the left there. You'll notice that this will come in handy, especially on those winter days. You can always tuck away your hats and gloves, as well as having a hot brew right near you. Now, once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst we're on the move, and we also do have our assist systems with functions like the adaptive cruise control to stay safe at a consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring you that confidence and comfort throughout your journey. Over to the infotainment screen, we have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading into our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our MirrorLink, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move, as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. Now, you also have the ability to make hands-free calls via Bluetooth, offering you safety and full attention to your surroundings, as it's never a good idea to take calls while you're on the move, and this way you'll have a more safer approach to when taking those calls. This stunning van does come with your Park Pilot, offering you confidence while driving those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors, along with the upgraded option of the rear view cam, ensure safety, especially when manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be relatively tight. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have many different options available here for you and your front passengers to enjoy that cozy driving experience. Towards the right, we have our heated windscreen, and to the left there, we have our parking sensors and our automatic start-stop function. Just below that, we have our cup holders and USB-C type ports. And to finally finish this video off, we have our 5-speed manual gear changing right in the centre there. So once again, thank you for watching. This has been the stunning approved used Transporter Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre. If you'd like to come down, have a look at the van yourself, or get yourself a tailored finance quote, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.